Hey TikTok, if you're ever in downtown Rochester, definitely check out Red Knapp's. This place has been a staple in the Rochester area since the 1950s, and it's located right on Main Street. Recently, they got a new owner, but don't worry, he's keeping the original taste by still sourcing their meat and bread from original vendors. But he has switched up the menu a little bit by adding some things such as dairy-free shakes and Beyond Meat to satisfy any vegetarian or vegan customers. When I was there, I was able to get a chicken sandwich, a truffle burger, and also try their dairy-free strawberry milkshake, and let me just say the food was amazing. If you're in the area, definitely check them out.